Hey everyone, welcome back to Investopedia India, World of Wealth Creation with Shefali here. Guys, as you all know that we have always been discussing different avenues of investment on this platform. Also, we keep on discussing strategies so that we can, maximize our returns out of investments. But जब हम wealth creation की बात करते हैं, when we talk about wealth creation, there are three pillars to it. The first and foremost pillar is income, correct? अगर इनकम होगी तभी हम इन्वेस्टमेंट्स के बारे में सोच सकते हैं. तो द फर्स्ट पिलर इज इनकम, द सेकंड वन इज इन्वेस्टमेंट व्हिच शुड बी स्ट्रेटेजिक, and the third one is managing your expenses. If all these three pillars are strong, then only our wealth creation journey would be successful. So that is why जो हमारा first and foremost important pillar है income वाला, उसके लिए उस पे हमें गाइड करने के लिए how can we grab, if we are starting our career, so how can we grab good job opportunities? If we are in middle of our career, how can we enhance, upgrade our skills to get better job opportunities? If we are not into our dream career, how can we change our skills or upgrade them to get into our dream career? So to answer all these questions here today, I invite on this platform Mr. Varun Sharma. He has 17 years of experience in this domain. He is co-founder and partner of VR HR Solutions LLP, the Facebook page of which is there in the description below, which you can always visit. He is a true HR and skill entrepreneur. He completed his MBA, post which he got his certifications. There are n number of certifications, so therefore I am reading it out. He is certified from MEPSC, which is Management and Entrepreneurship and Professional Skill Council of India. This is central government arm who and central government then certifies some trainer after taking exam, and basis that certification he is now entitled to train more people and get them give them the skills to get employable. Second, he is a certified Bosch trainer. And last but not the least, he is CHRD certified trainer for Porsche. So guys, see, जो इंडियन मार्केट है, इंडियन मार्केट में जो एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी है, जो स्किल्स रिक्वायर्ड है, जो कॉर्पोरेट्स देखते हैं कैंडिडेट्स में, और जो एक्चुअली ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स में या फिर कॉलेजेस में दिया जाता है, उसमें बहुत गैप है. So to fill that gap, he is coming up with a skill development school wherein he would be imparting people, the skills, the knowledge, how to upgrade themselves. So to get your questions answered today, we would obviously first he would be he would be giving a brief brief introduction. Then I would be asking some questions, and then the forum would be open for you all to ask your questions. Post which, if today your question is not answered and then you want to get in touch with him, you can write your question in the comment box below and share your contact number, and he would get in touch with you. So guys, handing over to Mr. Sharma to introduce the topic to you and give a brief introduction.
Good evening, everyone. So, Shefali, thank you so much for calling me and inviting me on this platform of Investopedia India. And I'm working on skill and employability since last 4 years, and this is really area of concern for everyone. So we are talking about unemployability, but when we really work in field, we see that this is not a thing of worry, or we should not be worried, because companies are having a lot of opening, but they are also not able to find the right skills, people with right skill set. So there is a gap what they are looking for and what people are caring.
Very true.
So this is the reason. So if we say that there is less opportunities for jobs, new openings, no, there are a lot of openings, and people still company, even in pandemic, companies were looking for people.
True.
So this topic, how to grab a right job and good job and better job. This is really a concern of youth, concern of not only youth, of a people of every age. And thank you so much for inviting me to talk on this topic. Thank you.
Most welcome, Mr. Sharma. So the first question which I would be asking on behalf of all of them is, what are the best post-pandemic job opportunities after lockdown in India? And in fact, VRHR deals into the job opportunities outside India, correct? So
Understand this job scenario, we need to look in our surrounding, so I think Google will not answer, but our surrounding, our environment, and the people, behavior of people, that will tell us the requirement of fast moving industries.
correct, correct.
Like, so in during in pandemic and post pandemic, we saw that the business of food delivery has been increased.
In fact, Mr. Sharma, what I think is fast moving may not only food delivery, but if we talk about all the companies which are into digital platform, they are increasing.
They are
right?
logistic, and there is a very good combination of logistics and digital platform.
Correct.
They are working together.
True.
And most of many of people who are the places which are very very well versed with the digital logistics,
Correct.
with e-platform, they were getting their groceries online.
True. True.
So if we see, there was a shift of behavioral,
Yeah.
earlier when we see in big cities, even B class cities, even C class cities, people have started ordering through.
True. Online.
Yeah.
Everyone is switching. Correct.
So we should see this behavior change. Behavior impacts a lot on industries.
True.
So this is industry coming up very rapidly, very fast. And during pandemic and post pandemic, even this time, this industry is generating a lot of business.
True. True.
Second, I found IT is doing good. I because IT I don't recommend much, because there is still a gap between supply chain.
Correct.
There is a
correct,
mismatch.
correct, correct.
Lot of supply is there, but need employment opportunities are less.
Correct.
But in other industries, like we see cloud kitchens are there.
Mm-hmm. True.
Which are not only restaurants, but cloud kitchens are supplying food to people. Now people are preferring to order from such cloud
Platforms,
kitchens.
right, right.
So when we see, there are a lot of requirements are of chefs, who are working in a kitchen.
Okay. Yeah.
Lot of requirements of people who can deliver.
Mm-hmm. Correct.
So if we see, we are not satisfied with the the behavior of delivery boys. Sometimes do we really need people, skilled people, in this segment?
True. True. True.
This segment is really burning.
Yeah.
But yes, a lot of things are happening. People are working on skill development, and people are developing them, so that they can be they can do good at customer part.
Right. Right.
So we can see that logistic is doing very good.
Good.
Business is increasing.
Mhm.
So this segment is creating a lot of job.
Okay.
Third is content. If we see in today's time, you are also on YouTube.
Right.
So you will. I'm not sure, but you must be facing challenge for new content creation.
Of course. Of course. That
Right?
is the time when you don't get something
Yeah.
new. What you can give to your.
Because most of the
Viewers.
people, what they do, they copy from Google or from there is repeated content.
Correct.
So new content and different content and creative content writers are there is gap, there is requirement. So content writing is also a good job.
True.
So that the need is increasing.
Correct. Correct.
Apart from that, a lot of schools are coming.
True.
So I see that there are a lot of scope for new generation teachers.
Correct. Correct.
Traditional teachers are there. They are getting degrees and from universities and different boards.
Mm.
But they are really they are not prepared for new generation education system.
True.
So there is a lot of scope for that.
Correct.
So we can we can imagine, we can visualize, we can see the change of behavior of society.
True.
In surroundings, when we can see there are a lot of job opportunities.
Right.
Basically this behavior is creating new job opportunities. We should not be worried about future.
True. True.
Yeah.
But Mr. Sharma, what I feel is, in India, mostly people are not doing what they, aspire to do. What is their dream career? And I think there are two reasons. One, that might be that when we are supposed to take subjects, when we have to decide our stream, at that time we are not mature enough. And second, wherein I think you can help people, that they think that we have chosen one stream and now we are stuck. For example, if you are highlighting 4 avenues where there are opportunities, most of them would be thinking that, but we already are 30, 35, 40 and we are into something. So if there are not opportunities, we cannot jump there, right? So we won't get paid enough and there are n number of things which come to their mind. So what do you feel about it?
Age is really, we should not talk about age, because if we are ready to, do something, we can, learn. There are a lot of new platforms are there.
Correct.
Online, training platforms are there. Upgrades and skill schools and an academy. We will get. So if we somewhere we think that we are stuck here, we can, we should, do SWOT analysis of self. So we should work on our weaknesses. We should work on strengths, what we are good at. So you can switch. It is easy in today's time. Now everything is available on a single platform.
Correct.
So it should not be worried for youth. What we generally think that what I see, people, they look for job, but what they really look for job, no, they look for money.
True.
What people think that we should be rewarded, no. I always say that, always try to give value to your work, your company. So first they start कि मुझे इसमें इतना पैसा मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा, मैं काम करूं कि नहीं करूं.
Correct. Correct.
लोग काफी जो एक हमें बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी, जब हम लोग यूथ होते हैं, जब हम स्कूल से पास आउट होते हैं, 3 साल के लिए हमें एक अच्छा टाइम मिलता है कॉलेज टाइम में. सो आई ऑलवेज रिकमेंड एंड आई ऑलवेज टेल माय स्टूडेंट्स and people who come for counseling and for guidance, I always suggest them to send them for internship, free internship. They will learn, they will get to know about organizations, how organizations work. In when anybody join after graduation, they join company, they don't feel comfortable because they are not aware how organizations work.
Sure.
So they be blank for initially 1 or 2 years and they switch the job without. But when a person is joining any organization and if he has an idea कि कंपनियां किस तरह से काम करती है, कंपनीज की एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या होती है. देखिए, हम जब काम करते हैं तो कई सालों तक एम्प्लॉय को पता नहीं होता कि मुझे करना क्या है.
True. Very true.
है ना. कंपनी की एक्सपेक्टेशंस का नहीं पता होता हमें. तो वो क्या करते हैं, हर कुछ साल में चेंज कर रहे होते हैं, 6 महीने में, साल भर में. तो आई ऑलवेज रिकमेंड कि आप इंटर्नशिप करिए. आप इवन लोग जो ग्रेजुएशन के बाद एमबीए करने जाते हैं, मैं आई एम रियली अगेंस्ट डूइंग एमबीए जस्ट इमीडिएट आफ्टर ग्रेजुएशन. आई ऑलवेज रिकमेंड गो फॉर जॉब फॉर 2 years.
Correct.
You will have understanding of organization, then you will somehow feel there is a value addition to your career. Then you will have a relevant MBA degree.
Correct. Correct.
So sometimes people need to understand, and doing job and changing job and upgrading skills is not tough thing today's time.
Correct.
Even you will be surprised that now people are working after their retirement.
Yeah.
They are working, then companies are accepting their skills. If you are skilled, if you have knowledge, if you are if you are able to add value to companies, they will hire you.
Correct.
Even people are working as a consultant, they are entrepreneurs.
True. True.
So if you know something, if you can add value to your society, your company, they will hire you at any point of at any point of age. So we should keep on learning. Money should not be our target. Salary should not be our target. What we think कि मेरा पड़ोस का बच्चा इधर वो अमेरिका चला गया, तो अब मैं अमेरिका कैसे जाऊं.
Correct.
राइट. मेरा भाई या मेरा चाचा का बच्चा, वो उसको 50,000 मिला, तो मुझे 50,000 कैसे अचीव करना है. वी शुड थिंक व्हाई ही इज गेटिंग 50,000, व्हाई अ पर्सन इज गोइंग टू अमेरिका. क्या अमेरिका में जॉब ऐसे ही सभी को ले लेगा? नहीं. वो उन लोगों को लेते हैं जो वाकई में उनको कुछ वैल्यू एडिशन कर सकते हैं, उनकी सोसाइटी को, उनकी कंट्री को, उनकी कंपनीज को.
Correct.
So today I would like to say one quote. I was going through in the morning. The world rewards you for value provided, not time spent. In generally companies we have seen that employees spend time, but we should think that, and they expect कि मेरा इंक्रीमेंट हो जाए, मेरी सैलरी 50,000 हो जाए, या मुझे प्रोग्रेस मिल जाए. बट यहाँ हमेशा सेल्फ एनालिसिस की जरूरत है कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, वाकई में क्या कंपनी की ग्रोथ में मेरा कंट्रीब्यूशन है.
Correct.
हमेशा सोचना चाहिए बैठ के. सो वी शुड कीप ऑन अपग्रेडिंग, वी शुड कीप ऑन एनालाइजिंग आवर स्किल्स एंड व्हाई वी आर वर्किंग. वी शुड थिंक
करेक्ट. सो मिस्टर शर्मा, कैन वी से कि एक्सपीरियंस से ज्यादा आपके स्किल्स मैटर करते हैं जब आप एक कंपनी ज्वाइन करते हो? अगर आपने स्विच भी करा है, आपको एक्सपीरियंस 5 साल 10 साल किसी और फील्ड का है, बट अगर आपने अपने पसंद की चीजों में अपग्रेड करा है और आप इंटरव्यू के लिए जा रहे हो, सो कैन यू एक्सपेक्ट दैट द एम्प्लॉयर वुड सेलेक्ट यू?
सी, आपका जो एक्सपीरियंस जो रेज्यूमे पे लिखा होता है ना, वो फर्स्ट आपकी स्क्रीनिंग में काम आएगा. जब स्क्रीनिंग होती है, ठीक है, हमें 10 साल के एक्सपीरियंस का एक कैंडिडेट चाहिए एक किसी मैनेजरियल लेवल पे, तो ठीक है, इसको 10 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है, मैं इसको शॉर्टलिस्ट करके इंटरव्यू के लिए बुला लेता हूँ. लेकिन जब आप इंटरव्यू में जाते हैं, आई सीन मेरा प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस है कि इवन 10 साल के एक्सपीरियंस के लोग कुछ बोल नहीं पाते. क्यों नहीं बोल पाते? क्योंकि उनको अपनी स्किल्स पे कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होता है, स्किल्स नहीं सीखी होती हैं. क्योंकि जनरली आई हैव सीन मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल व्हाट दे डू, दे कीप ऑन चेंजिंग देयर जॉब इन 6 months, 1 year or 2 year. At least a person should spend at least 3 to 4 year on a job that will give you confidence.
Correct.
Where you will learn a skill. Skill is not a thing which you will earn in a day or in a 6 months or 1 year. It takes a lot of time. And attitude should be positive towards things. So yes, experience too, most of people are having experience, 10 years 15 years, but still they are facing कि सबसे पहले कहीं कुछ मुसीबत आती है तो उन लोगों को बाहर कर दिया जाता है.
True.
Unemployment is not, we should not blame for unemployment of anyone or particular people, for companies or for policy. No, we should think why we are unemployed. And we should be positive, because Indian market, world market is really good. We can see on google.com, naukri.com, on LinkedIn, there are a lot of opening, and rigorously people are hiring. So I think things are positive, but we should focus on our skills.
True. So next question, so what are top 5 career options that you already answered in the
Yes.
first question? So next comes how to upgrade skills for growth in the job.
Yes. First of all, that it starts from a feel of that ki now I've done this much of, I've learned this much of. Now, do I really need to learn something? When we ask ourselves, when we discuss with our mentors, you will get a yes. Suppose somebody is working in a finance department, accounts department, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन तो इनिशियली सीख लेता 3-4 साल में, लेकिन इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स के लिए कहाँ से लाएगा वो?
Correct.
Finance department is not a front department where they face
Right,
customers and
interact with
employees.
lot many people.
Yeah, they should work on that.
Yeah.
They should work on interpersonal skills. When a person will have a good accounting experience, somebody is working as executive and he will learn interpersonal skills, he will automatically be upgraded as a manager. Manager is what? Manager is basically a bridge between company and bottom line employees, to get the work done and to handle customers. There are two kind of customers, internal customers and external. Internal customers are employees. External customers are
The clients.
the clients. So we need to always work out on that. In every kind of job profile, every kind of field, we always need to upgrade skills.
Correct.
I think people should focus on skill upgradation rather than changing job. But what they think, "Nahi, I'm not feeling good, I'm not," that feel comes ki I'm not enjoying my work. Why you not enjoying?
Yeah.
There is a particular reason why you are not enjoying, because you are now, your stomach is full with the food. अब कुछ नया चाहिए आपको. आप सीख गए हो ना, लेकिन वो राधे दिन एक नई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जाने के बाद आप वहाँ रिग्रेट करो. आप करंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में देखो आप क्या सीख सकते हो.
Correct. Upgrade yourself and obviously you'll get growth, your package would increase and you
Yeah.
would get interested
Yeah.
because you're doing something new. It won't be
You
monotonous.
can demand to your management that your manager that no, I'm happy with my current work, but I want to learn, I want to upgrade. So you can also learn skills of different departments even.
Nice.
You can work as a part time.
Correct.
People should need to live the attitude of 9 to 5 working attitude.
Of course.
Yes, it is company, you need to invest extra time on yourself, on your own learning.
Correct.
And people will learn on investing time on your own learning. Definitely they will have a very good career path. If you see, when we can search on LinkedIn even, the successful means they have done good in their career, so they've changed hardly 3-4 companies or 5 companies in the whole career of 25 years, 30 years.
True. Very true.
So they kept on upgrading, they kept on upgrading.
And they kept on growing.
Yes.
Growth is a, say, byproduct of your upgradation.
Exactly. So we need to, so generally people I see they generally criticize their environment. No, environment of every company is good.
Sure.
It's only you who is not feeling, good, right? I think I'm not saying we should not change our company. We should change our company. But when you feel that no, I'm not learning further now, I need to move. So generally, 90% people give reason, no, I want salary upgradation. But when I ask them, "Ki, what about your skill upgradation? Did you do in your last 10 years for a skill upgradation?" They are blind.
They're blind. Sure.
So we should, learning is a process. Learning is not only students have to learn. We also need to learn.
Of course.
Yes.
Doctors keeps on learning.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so next question is, what is the right way to search job?
You do good.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah.
So you do good, in your current job, you will get a job. Always job should be, job change should be like on a recommendation. Somebody is recommending you. I've seen, in my organizations where I worked, that people are, asking ki ye employee aap hame de do. Yeah, somebody is recommending, you can join there. I've seen my managers even. So, that is the right way of changing job, but is obviously, sometimes a person might feel कि मुझे location change करना है या financial मुझे थोड़ा upgrade होना है, तो उसका right way ये होता है कि आप जहाँ काम कर रहे हो अच्छा काम करो, आपको लोग ले जाएंगे अपने आप. Literally, just believe me, लोग अगर आप अच्छा काम करोगे तो आपको अपने आप ले जाएंगे. मैंने लोगों को foreign भी जाते, I had a colleague,
Okay.
he was in a hotel. So one customer came and he was happy. Again he came, after 6 months. Sardarji was there. He had a restaurant in Australia. He took him, a restaurant manager who was handling him.
Okay.
I need such a person. Now he's living good life there. So we need to, at any point of work life, we need to do good. We need to perform very well up to the mark. So we will automatically change our job. Things, surroundings and environment will upgrade your job.
Of course.
But yes, the right way, when you feel I need to change, then we should not, we should not only focus on, changing job.
Of course.
You upgrade yourself on LinkedIn,
Correct.
that is the right approach. You can contact your colleagues. That is the only right way. Posting on sites, and that will not help you. You really want to look for change, you can give, right reason to your ex-colleagues, your current colleagues. Even you can ask your boss. Be honest. If you are really doing good, you are honest to your work, if you are adding value to your job, your work, you can directly ask your boss, no, now I want to upgrade, now I want to change my job. This is the relevant reason. Reason should not be irrelevant. You just mark my word, your boss will also help to change, your job. But be honest.
True.
And I've seen such things in my career. So this is the right way, aggressively we should. I've seen, employees, they are just focused. They every day they post jobs, their resumes for job openings. This will not help,
And if you log into your email ID, you see N number.
You will get confused. Where should I go?
Correct. True.
So first of all, you should know the reason why you want to look for change. When you get answer, then you will also get ways how can you change your job.
True.
Yeah.
So next question is interesting. Can we make full-time career with online earning platforms? What do you think about it?
Yes.
So
Online.
do you really think one can make full-time career into this?
Why not? Now things are happening. Online platform. You can say training.
Yeah.
A lot of people are now focusing on training on online. And now your channel is also example.
Yeah, of course.
You have been into investment, job of based on investments.
Right.
Now you are guiding people.
Correct.
So yes, now things are changing. We have a online platform which is easy to invest, easy to start,
Correct.
easy to approach to our customers. We can easily identify who are our real customers.
True.
So basically, this gives you strength your idea. So now most of the things are happening on online. Now schools are running on online.
Correct.
So now we can start. Yes, why not? You will get a lot of opportunities.
True. True. So next question is how to identify our inner strength and weakness in our career path.
Very easy. So first of all, we should work out on our weaknesses. Generally, we work on our strength. Or this is my strength, so I should work out on this. But we forget our weaknesses. So when we work daily, on weekly basis, if we have mentors, we should sit with them. If we don't have mentors, don't worry. We should do a self-analysis session with the self. We should spare a time. We should work out कि if suppose मुझे एक बॉस अगर मुझे डेली डांट रहा है, मुझे कुछ कह रहा है, तो मुझे क्यों कह रहा है?
Correct.
This should be a reason. या मैं अगर टाइम से मैं अगर कोई चीज मुझे सबमिशन है मेरे, क्यों नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ मैं?
True.
या मुझे कहीं कस्टमर्स को डील करने में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, क्यों आ रही हो? क्या कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं कि मुझे प्रोडक्ट का नॉलेज नहीं है, या कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं है कि मुझे अगर मैं सबमिशन टाइम से नहीं है तो मैं अपने आप जो अपने डेली रूटीन की चीजें मैं मैनेज नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. ये बेसिक्स है बेसिकली.
True. True.
लेकिन इन पे लोग ध्यान नहीं देते.
Correct. Rather than self-analyzing, people think it's easy to blame their boss. Ki
Exactly.
boss is wrong.
Boss is wrong, culture is wrong, company is wrong.
Correct. Correct.
Then they start looking for change, but that is the wrong reason. So if we really work on such things, we will definitely find our weaknesses. And when we know the reason for such things, and we know our weaknesses, definitely we can work out. We can plan our day. We can plan, because we are the only managers for self.
True. True. Very
If we see कि our spouse, our boss, our friend, our brother, our parents will manage us, no.
true.
It is only you or me. We can manage ourselves.
Right. Very right.
And if we look for trainers, no, don't look for trainers. You are trainer for yourself. We should think, we should analyze, we should spare a day in a week. हम लोग वीकेंड पे जाते हैं, घूमने फिरने जाते हैं, हम लोग पार्टी करने जाते हैं दोस्तों के साथ में. एक दिन महीने में एक दिन छोड़ दो ना. सोचो कहाँ प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. एंड इफ यू हैव ए वर्किंग स्पाउस, he or she can be best guide. My wife is working, she always guides me. Wherever I feel I need to speak, I need to work out on such things, why I am facing challenges on job, she can easily tell me. एक माँ के बाद में एक वाइफ होती है सबसे ज्यादा, या पति होता है जो आपको सबसे ज्यादा जानता है.
Correct.
वो करेक्ट करेगा. So there are lot many positive things we can change, but we need to, but हम weakness पे तभी काम कर पाएंगे जब हम भागना बंद करेंगे.
Correct.
Making money, mark my words, making money is not only objective of life. Our objective of life is to add value to organization, add value to family, add value to society, add value to our country.
True.
That will reward. If we will work with this thought, with this ideology, everything, even family will reward us, our organization will reward us, society will reward us, even country will reward us. So we need to work out on basic principles of work life.
Of course. So guys, please gear up, because last two questions and then the forum would be open for you all. So my second last question would be, what do you think are the most interesting and unexplored career opportunities where there is a lot of potential, wherein if people opt for those, then they might grow a lot.
Travel and tourism is still there are a lot of unexplored. People are not telling the right things. इसमें काफी scope है. They can work on such industries. Content writing is a very good interesting subject. Training even is a very good area where they can work. If you know something, you can tell people, train people.
Correct.
Like when I was into job and I was working into HR domain, so I was aware that there is a problem. But the problem is realistic, and problem is not just because of people don't have, companies don't have opening, or people are having right skills. So there was a gap. Then I started my company.
True.
So if we see in our surrounding, we will find a lot of interesting work to do. Like your company is working on investments, so now your team must be having content writers, research analyst,
Of course,
so
right.
now we will see a lot of companies are looking for analysts,
Very true. Very true.
data analysis, very
Data
interesting work,
analysis. Yeah, very true.
so we can look for so many things which we should start learning after 12th.
Correct.
So 3 years time of college, this is the time we waste. We really waste. What we do, we just spend time on unnecessary things.
Yeah.
I'm realizing now, I also did the same thing, but now when I see future is really good. If you see the world, if you see universe, if you see India, if you see our cities, future is really good and bright, but we need to tell our coming generation, no, you do something while your college time, okay, till 12th we understand, they need to focus on studies, but post 12th, our kids, our younger generation should work something. They can join companies on internship.
Of course.
If companies are not paying, no, you are learning is also a good earning,
Yeah, of course, definitely. In US, we have that culture that people after 18 they do for their survival.
in
they do
US,
something.
even in India, cities like Mumbai, there I've seen kids, they do internship, they do part-time work.
Right.
So they should even join anything, even kirana store. If kids will work on a kirana store, they will have understanding of customers.
True. At least customer behavior and basic
Yes.
accounting they would learn.
Yes, they would learn.
Of course.
So
Definitely. So, guys, buck up here. My last question, and then you please start posting your questions because then I would be taking them up. So, my last question would be, what are the futuristic career opportunities in upcoming time? Okay, that is answered into this one. How to upgrade skills also we have already answered. So, how to switch to a dream job from existing boring job?
existing jobs are always boring. When we don't, again, my answer is that only. If we don't upgrade, existing job is always boring. So dream job, always keep in dreams only. So what we see, dream job means we all have a dream job, means a job with relaxation, a job with good money. But can we get good money with the relaxations? We need to put a lot of hard work.
Correct. Very true.
So yes, definitely we can have we need to have passion. We should follow our passion rather than dream job. We should look for a job with the passion where I can put 100%.
Correct.
Right. So that is a dream job. So you need to again identify where you are good at, what makes you motivated.
True.
If you will work out on this, definitely with the job, gradually you will get to know how to reach that level.
True.
No one else can show you that path.
True.
If you work out on passion, definitely will reach there.
True.
So only hard work, skill upgradation, focus, and honesty with our job,
Right.
with ourselves,
With ourselves.
even 100% awareness about ourselves will
Correct.
help you to achieve that job, that level, that dream job.
True.
So this is the only way out, which
Yeah.
I see,
Yeah.
people with their work.
Yeah. So here, people are ready with their questions. So the first one comes. This is from Mr. Kaushal Meghani. He asks, which is best part-time job in India?
Which is best part-time job in India? You can be a content writer. You can be, trainer. You can be analyst for companies. You can be, social media marketer.
I think for part-time, people can be like freelancer in case of content writing, data analysis.
They can
get
be
online projects
all
along with their job. They can work at
all
night
freelance
and all.
jobs are good part-time jobs.
Yeah.
And based on now we have digital platform. So all the jobs based on digital platform, they all are good for part-time.
Correct.
Even people are doing because for that you don't need any. You can work from any corner of India, any corner of universe.
True. Very true.
So people can explore for that, and they will get to know that there are different kind of job openings for that, and that gives good experience even.
Yeah.
We can be entrepreneurs if we do such job.
Correct. Definitely.
Yeah.
So let's see the next question. Uh, how's HDFC AMC? Okay, Mohit, I would go live on stock market and therein I'll answer all the questions related to stock market. So Mr. Sharma here is to guide us on HR related issues. So let's look at the other question. Okay, what about e-commerce job?
This is the
question
best, you
from
know.
Gaurav Arora. Yeah.
Yes, e-commerce. You know, when I was doing MBA in 2004, e-commerce, we all were talking about e-commerce, and हमें क्लू नहीं था कि यार e-commerce है क्या ये.
Correct.
लिटरली किसी को क्लू नहीं था कि, लेकिन आज जो मार्केट में जो पंप किया है, जो आज के डेट में जो पॉजिटिविटी, जो जो अपॉर्चुनिटी जो की है, सब कुछ ई कॉमर्स प्लेटफॉर्म की वजह से है आज के डेट में.
Correct. Correct.
We are, you know, doing shopping from e-commerce platform. We are buying anything from e-commerce. You know, we are even education. We are getting trainings. We are getting, you know, even our food from e-commerce platform, and it is growing day by day. You know,
True.
even pandemic could not stop this segment. So this is the future. This is just started. You can imagine. You know, even it was started in 2007, but now I can say this is just now started. It has a lot of future. It is, you know, even today it is below 1%. So we should be hopeful, and I'm really very much confident about this platform. This will generate a lot of business. Now every business is based on e-commerce platform. You know, even our logistic companies are making money, you know, but just because of e-commerce platform. Yes.
Okay, so here Irfan ma'am, please ask how to beware of market crash. So Irfan, again stock market question would be answered in a separate session. Pankaj Kohli, how to overcome fear to switch a job?
Again, I'm saying yes. Your you know, question is very much relevant. This is with, you know, almost everyone. You know, so this is a very risky job. You know, changing job. It is
Correct.
really not easy. You know, because we think whether we would be able to, you know, survive or not for a longer time.
True.
Right. So is this the right decision to change this job? So, you know, we can again working out, like, first of all, you need to think the why you're looking for job or job change. You know, first you need to have that answer. Or if suppose you're joining somewhere or you're applying for a job in some company, you need to know everything about that company. Now, you know, on e-commerce platform, on internet, on everything is available. Even you can ask, you know, on LinkedIn to employees. You can find out employees working in such companies. You can ask them about company. So first of all, you need to be confident if you are applying for some job opening that you are fit for that job. First of all, sometimes क्या होता है कि लोगों को ज्वाइन करवा लिया जाता है, कई बार 100% फिटनेस नहीं होती, वो 10-20% फिटनेस के ऊपर ले लेते हैं क्योंकि उनको जरूरत होती है लोगों को. वो सोचते हैं कि हम ट्रेनिंग दे देंगे और सिखा देंगे इनको.
Correct. Correct.
लेकिन समाव वो सीख नहीं पाते, क्योंकि देखो हर चीज हर इंसान सीख नहीं पाता है. तो सबसे बड़ा फियर होता है कि वो 6 महीने में बाद में उसको आस्क फॉर लीव कह दिया जाता है.
Correct.
सो दैट इज अ बिग फियर. बट ये सेल्फ एनालिसिस करो, आपकी स्ट्रेंथ क्या है, आपकी क्या जरूरत है, जो जॉब चेंज का आप कर रहे हो, सोच रहे हो जॉब चेंज करने के लिए, क्या वाकई में वो सही रिक्वायरमेंट है, सही जगह जा रहे हो, आपके अंदर सारी स्किल्स हैं, आपको एक्सपीरियंस रेलिवेंट है, और कंपनी इज डूइंग गुड, then you can overcome, you know, if you have all answer of such questions, then you can, you know, overcome with the fear.
True. True. So here, this is like last question. Key skills to grow in the career. This question comes from Varidhi Sharma. Yeah.
Key skills, you know, to grow. So we all need to work out, you know, on soft skills, you know, behavioral skills. We need to work out on our attitude. So recently I was, you know, part of NBT National Building Training of Bosch, Germany, in India. So we all, you know, train people on 10 principles of life, that how can we build, you know, and develop country to our country. So we need to work out on, you know, soft skills, on our behavioral skills. We need to make our attitude positive, right? So we can, you know, these are the basic skills we need to work.
Correct. Correct.
So we can, you know, we need to, you know, furnish our knowledge, our skills with the attitude.
Very nice. Very correct. So here I come. Here there is a very interesting question. Do you think AI, artificial intelligence, will have impact on our jobs? Robotics, the robots, the AI.
Very good. So this is very old question, you know, 20 years old question, you know. Will it impact? Because AI was there, and scientists were working on this. But did it really impact it? No. It will impact. Suppose some company is facing labor problems, so what they did, they brought in AI system.
True, true.
So उनका प्रोडक्शन बढ़ता है, ठीक है, जहाँ सप्लाई कर रहे हैं उनके सप्लायर बढ़ते हैं, जो लोग वहां पर अपना मटेरियल सप्लाई कर रहे हैं, और जहाँ उनकी सेल्स बढ़ती है तो लोगों की जरूरत है. देखो, एआई एक पर्टिकुलर कोर एरिया पे काम कर सकती है, लेकिन उसके आसपास जो जो वेरियस प्रोसेसेस होती हैं उसको हैंडल करने के लिए लोग चाहिए हमें. इवन एआई को हैंडल करने के लिए लोग चाहिए. तो पर्टिकुलर उस प्रोसेस को इम्पेक्ट कर सकता है, लेकिन एआई ने आज की डेट में हम लोगों की जॉब्स अपॉर्चुनिटीज और दूसरे एरिया में बढ़ा दी है. आज बैंकिंग के बारे में हम सोचते हैं कि, तो बैंकिंग हम सोचते हैं कि आज लोगों की जरूरत नहीं होगी,
करेक्ट,
है ना.
करेक्ट.
वो एआई सिस्टम ही आज ऑटो मोड पे काम करता है सारा कुछ. हमारे पास एप्लीकेशंस है, हमारे पास नो नीड टू गो टू बैंक, सब कुछ हमारे लिए मोबाइल में है. लेकिन क्या रियली हम ऐसा सोचते हैं कि बैंकों में नौकरियां नहीं है? जबकि बैंकों में नौकरियां बहुत है, लोगों की बहुत जरूरत है. आज दुनिया भर की ब्रांचेस खुल रही है. अब बैंकें सिर्फ एक चीज आने से क्या होता है कि जब एआई चीज आती है तो वो अपनी एनर्जीज को कहीं और चैनलाइज कर सकते हैं. पहले बैंक्स का क्या काम था? बैंक्स का एक काम था कि आपका सेविंग अकाउंट खोलना है और आपको लोन देना है,
करेक्ट,
राइट. अभी बैंक्स क्या कर रही है? इन्वेस्टमेंट्स के ऊपर कर रही है, आपके म्यूचुअल फंड अकाउंट खोल रही है,
करेक्ट,
है.
करेक्ट.
अब आपके इंश्योरेंस दे रही है आपको वो.
ट्रू, ट्रू.
तो दुनिया भर की दूसरी चीजों पे वो अपना फोकस बढ़ा रही है, उनको चैनलाइज कर रही है. तो अब क्या उनको लोगों की जरूरत नहीं है? सो एआई डेफिनेटली उसके कोर एरिया को इम्पैक्ट करेगी, लेकिन अपने दूसरे रास्ते भी खोलेगी वो, राइट. आज की डेट में लेकिन इमीडिएट इतना इम्पैक्ट नहीं होता है. डोंट वरी अबाउट एआई. हमारे कितना सिस्टम वो स्मूथ. एआई तो इवन एआई इज अ गुड एंड पॉजिटिव फॉर एनी इकोनॉमी. सो अगर आप लोग ये सोचते हो कि एआई आने से कि जॉब्स कम हो जाएगी, नहीं होंगी. एआई आने से जॉब्स बढ़ेंगी, बिजनेस बढ़ेगा.
True.
वी कैन सी इन सराउंडिंग एआई पे कितना काम होने लग गया.
हाँ, of course.
हम कहीं पे भी जाते हैं आज की डेट में, मॉल जाते हैं तो वहां पर छोटी छोटी मशीन से ऑटोमेटिक काम कर रही होती है.
Correct.
एयरपोर्ट पे ऑटोमेटिक काम हो, लेकिन क्या हम लोगों पे एयरपोर्ट पे लोगों को नहीं देखते? जरूरत है लोगों को.
True.
यस.
So here there's a question. Do I need to worry about my existing job because of this pandemic situation and third wave of COVID?
No, we should not be worried. If you will be worried, this will make us negative. Be confident. If suppose somehow you should see progress of your company, you should see in which industry you are. Is that industry impacting? I will give you example of hospitality industry, most affected industry. So people were losing job. लोगों को छुट्टी पे भेज रहे हैं, विदाउट पे भेज रहे हैं, सब कुछ है, लोगों को नौकरी जा रही है. लेकिन हुआ क्या? जब लॉकडाउन खुला, वहां पर रिक्वायरमेंट बिजनेस इतना बढ़ गया कि लोगों को वापस जरूरत पड़ी. तो आज की डेट में जिन लोगों की नौकरियां गई, इनको वापस बुला रहे हैं वो लोग काम पे. होटल्स बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं. सी, इकोनॉमी चल रही है. इकोनॉमी डैमेज अगर जिस दिन होती है, या मार्केट क्रैश होते हैं, या इंडस्ट्रीज बंद होती है बड़े लेवल पे, तब जाके हमें चिंता करने की जरूरत है कि मेरी नौकरी बचेगी नहीं बचेगी. इससे इतना हो सकता है कि आपको सपोज नौकरी गई किसी वजह से, तो 1 या 2 महीने या मैक्सिमम 5 महीने के लिए किसी को भी अपनी नौकरी जा सकती है, लेकिन वापस मिल जाएगी. काम तो है मार्केट में. और आप लोग जब इन्वेस्टोपीडिया इंडिया से जुड़े हुए हैं, तो आप लोग ये समझते होंगे कि हमारा सेंसेक्स 25,000 से, राइट,
Yeah.
आज 60,000 तक पहुंच गया. क्यों पहुंचा? नॉट जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ कि मार्केट में इन्वेस्टर है, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ कंपनीज आर रियली डूइंग गुड. कंपनीज पॉजिटिव होकर काम कर रही हैं. आज हमारी कंट्री में हाईवेज बन रहे हैं, आज की डेट में पावर प्रोजेक्ट्स के ऊपर काम हो रहे हैं, केमिकल इंडस्ट्रीज अच्छे कर रही. कहीं कुछ बंद हुआ? नहीं हुआ. सो ओवरऑल मार्केट में पॉजिटिविटी है. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट सच थिंग्स हैपन. आई हैव सीन इन 2020 2008 मार्केट पूरा डाउन हुआ, एक्सपोर्ट्स लगभग कम हो गए, सब कुछ. वी वर वरीड. बट आज उसके बाद कुछ नहीं हुआ. हमारी कुछ दिनों के लिए सैलरीज इंपैक्ट हुई. So such things has been happening, in last 20-30 years. If we see, especially and in being into Indian market, we should be positive because whole world is looking for Indian market. Indian market is a good bazaar for them. They are invested. They are selling their product.
Correct.
So we are a good consumer market even. So we should not be worried. If for some time it can impact what we should do. What if we lose our job, we should not be worried. Be positive. Suppose tomorrow company says कि नहीं, मुझे मैन पावर कम करना है, so we are sorting our manpower strength. No, don't worry. मिल जाएगा, वो same company will call you.
Correct.
बिकॉज कंपनी को भी सर्वाइव करना है, कंपनी को भी काम करना है. किससे करवाना है? लोगों से करवाना है. कहीं नए लोग तो लेके नहीं आएंगे वो. So we need to be positive. I only one say in this.
True. Here comes an interesting question that there are few sectors like if you take example of hospitality sector. So in hospitality industry, a lot of people have lost their jobs because of this pandemic. So do you have any suggestion for them, especially to people who are ground level staff like stewards and all, who don't have much savings also for their backup and they are not, right now jobless? So do you have any specific suggestion for them?
Suggestion means they should be ready. Now market is opening up. Now suppose they are working, who are working in the kitchen as a chef, they have a job opportunity for cloud kitchens. There are a lot of, hundreds of cloud kitchens are coming up.
Correct.
And because, cloud kitchens are, we can see, a lot of Zomato and Swiggy is what they are, markets are crowded with that.
True.
It means a lot of, cloud kitchens are coming. They should, approach them. For stewards, don't worry. Restaurants are opening up.
True. True.
ज़्यादा टाइम तक वेट नहीं करना पड़ेगा उनको.
True.
मार्केट में लोग चाहिए, वो टेक्नोलॉजी लाके नहीं कर सकते काम.
Correct. Correct.
है ना? तो they should be ready. They should, be positive. And if they have a time, they can learn something online. There are a lot of YouTube channels. There are a lot of, companies where you can, upgrade your skills. I would say only one thing.
True.
So and suppose if I talk about housekeeping staff, they can join facility management companies. There are new facility management companies are coming. I know few. They are suffering because of they are not getting manpower. If you are in your villages, don't be in your villages. Come to cities and search for job. Approach them. You will get. And I would suggest, suppose you are into housekeeping department, they can join urban club type of companies. They can give services. Start your entrepreneurship. Entrepreneur journey. So be positive. Explore ways. You will get something. You should not be negative just because of world is facing pandemic.
True. True.
Right.
True. So guys, I feel Mr. Sharma has answered to all our queries. Either if you want to upgrade yourself, you're looking for skill upgradation, or you're looking for a job, you're a fresher, or you want to switch your job, or you just want to get motivated. So I think he has answered to all our questions, and we really thank him wholeheartedly for coming here and enlightening us with his knowledge. And definitely guys, if you want to upgrade your skills, or you want to join his academy, or you want to switch job and you want to take help of his consultancy, anything like that, you can definitely comment below and get in touch with him. Thank you all for joining in and be a part of this. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys, for listening us, and thank you, Sefali, for
Thank you,
calling
Mr.
me.
Sharma, for coming
It's my
here
pleasure.
and
Thank you.
enlightening us.
Thank you.